is weigh-in date again. We are on week what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one set and week 2 on the next set. And here we go, dropping everything already. Alright. Okay, we'll get started here. Egg number 1. Put it exactly how we pick it up out of there. And we're going backwards. We need to turn the dang thing on. It is zeroed out. Nice egg. 505. I know it's hard to see. This is not the best way to do it with the sun coming in here. That helped. 505. So, we're not right and left-handed today. 505. And we'll put this one back. Turn it over. And do number 2. 516. And we'll put this one back and spin it to the other side. And number 4, this is my heaviest egg by far. 525. And I'll remember that while I put it back. Alright, next egg. $553, and we'll spin her around and mark it down. Same thing with this one. It's pretty decent weight on that egg too. 573. Put it down. Come on. And looks like we're on track with our moistures. Okay, we need you this direction first. 584. And we're going to lay her down upside down and mark her down 584. I know these videos are short, but sometimes being short and to the point is what you need. Now my temperature, since I opened it, it's dropped down to 93. You can see high temperature was 97, so it's running 97, 96 all the time. With the sun on it, I'm surprised it don't run a little higher. I didn't realize how much sun was getting in here. So this is not a good spot for summertime incubating, but it should be fine. It's been cold. So we're gonna say that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. Follow along on this little emu egg hatching adventure, and let's see if my boy and girl has given me fertile eggs. We still got a good ways to go, but yeah, we're heading that way. So thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.